Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and I have just realized that I need readers, and these blue light blocking reading glasses have helped me so much. They really enhance and magnify words when I'm reading that really small print or the little words on my screen, my phone, and my tablet. And I love the colors that these come in. They're neutral. It includes a clear color, a tortoiseshell, a light pink, and a black. And even I've found my husband using the black pair. I love having the set so I can have them strategically placed around the house, in the office, in the kitchen. I find that the shape is so very flattering and they're comfortable to wear. These blue light blocking readers were just what I needed to read that small print. I love the colors that it comes in, and that's my point of view.